In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a carousel on Wix Studio, providing you with a comprehensive guide that will take about 5 minutes to complete. Now let's dive right in. To kick things off, we'll begin by heading over to the Wix Studio homepage. You'll find that the platform is specifically designed for agencies and enterprises, making it a robust choice for larger projects. Once you've arrived at the Wix Studio website, it's time to log in. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the page and give it a click. This will take you to a new screen where you'll have several options for signing in. Next, you'll want to continue with Google. It's a quicker way to log in without having to remember another password. Clicking this will prompt you to select your Google account, so just pick the one that's associated with your Wix Studio profile. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Wix editor. Here you'll see a plus icon, which is your gateway to adding new elements to your page. Hit that plus icon and a menu will pop up. Select the option for images, creating a starting point for your carousel. Are you already thinking of the perfect images to display? Head over to the images tab, select an image you'd like to use, and then it's time for some duplication magic. By pressing Ctrl and D, duplicate your image as many times as you need for your carousel. This step is crucial for creating that smooth sliding effect we're aiming for with a carousel. Once your images are duplicated, it's time to personalize them. Click on any image and select Change Image to swap the current one with another from your library or upload a new one entirely. After you've made your changes, don't forget to hit Update to save your progress. To really bring your carousel to life, you'll want to stack your images. Click on an image, hold down the Shift key and select the other images one by one. Once they're all selected, choose the Stack option to group them together. With your images stacked, it's time to animate them. Look for the animation icon, click it and choose Loop to give your carousel a continuous flow. After setting the animation, it's time for the finishing touches. You'll see an option labelled Add, which allows you to include additional elements or effects as you see fit. Click on Cross for a neat visual transition effect that enhances the overall aesthetic of your carousel. Finally, you're ready to preview your creation. Click the preview icon to see your fully animated and functional carousel in action. Feel free to make any adjustments or tweaks to ensure it looks just right. And there you have it, a beautiful, fully functional carousel on your Wix site. This simple yet effective feature can completely revamp your website's look and feel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.